Yikes. Oh man, that goose tried. Sorry guys, that goose was trying to charge me. I didn't know it was gonna just realized know it until now. It was luring his hand down to try to bite my shoe or my sock or oh, oh man. Now this is this is look I ran so fast like a roadrunner or the Flash. Those characters run fast. Lucky I got out of there just in time. It's just like a version from the dinosaur movies, like a dinosaur tried to attack me, try to eat me, but I ran so quick. Alright guys, so see you guys in the next video. You want to check out, this video with the new bird sound? Check the last video I made. Check it out. Take care.